Welcome to Trading with Sean, and I've been growing this account from $10 now, and I'm currently at $49. You can call it $50, and I did a recent trade that I would like to showcase, and this is the original way that I trade the market. So let me clear my chart. Okay, I said in my last trade that I trade trend line, and that's absolutely true. I do trade trend line, that's my original strategy, but support and resistance is my original strategy as well. I normally start from the weekly, and I do things like this. Just mark reaction. I mark reaction points in the market. That's where the market is rejecting from. So I mark reaction points in the market. Yeah. Anywhere that the market is reacting from, support and resistance. Just mark areas of support and resistance. Just mark areas. Anywhere that the market rejected from, anywhere, doesn't matter, anywhere that you saw movement, anywhere, mark those areas. Those areas are levels that are reacting from the market. You get what I'm saying? So mark those areas. Just mark any area that is reacting from the market. Then switch to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, any area that is unmarked, mark it. Like this level here, mark it, man, mark it, dude. Mark the levels, mark them. They're very, very important. Very. And when I say very important, I mean very. So yeah. And any levels, bro, any support and resistance level, mark them. Once it's a support and resistance level, and this is how I mark my support and resistance level. Then I go to the 4-hour time frame, and I mark my levels, and I mark them right. Anywhere, dude, anywhere. Mark them, man, mark them. That's where the market is reacting to. So you mark those levels carefully. Yeah, don't miss out a single detail. Yeah. Just mark those areas with confidence, and you will get it. Anywhere that the market is rejecting, that's where you mark. Don't leave out a single area. Yeah, as all those areas are gonna become areas that you can catch trade with. Yeah, so this is how I caught the trade. So I caught the trade on 10S. As you can see, this was a classic. This was a classic divergence. This was a classic. As you can see, the market made high right here, and the stochastic oscillator made an low, and as you can see, market skyrocketed. Took my TP again. Took my TP around this area, around this area. Yeah, that's where I took my TP, around this area right here. I know this area wasn't gonna be rejected because this was after 1 hour, and all the important levels are marked on the higher time frame. Yeah, so just like that, it was an easy trade, just like that. And that's how I caught this trade, and went very well. It was on classic support and resistance technique. As you can see, market rejected level, then break above it, showing significant support and resistance, then retested the level, but I got diversions before a retest, and then straight to the moon. And that's how I caught this trade, and this is the original way that I trade, and it's very effective, and I've been trading this way for a long time now, and I'm getting good results. So I would say that based on all the trades I've taken and the calculation that I've done, this strategy is 80% active, because it gave me the risk reward. Best believe me, it gave me. I lost a trade day before yesterday, and it was because I slipped up on my technical analysis and I lost $6. But then I took this trade and I made $18, because on all of my trades I only risk $6 just to make a bigger profit, because I know in the long term, when I'm winning, my profit is gonna be big, my loss is gonna be small, and that's what you're aiming for when you're doing forex, guys.